Imagine opening your banking app one morning and seeing your credit score sitting comfortably above 800, unlocking lower interest rates, premium credit cards, and financial freedom that most people spend years trying to achieve. It sounds unrealistic, right? But here's the truth. Reaching an 800-plus credit score in 6 months is not magic, and it's not reserved for the wealthy. It's a strategic game, and once you understand how the system works, you can start playing it to your advantage immediately. In 2026, with smarter tools, better data access, and evolving FICO scoring models, the path to elite credit has become faster and more accessible than ever before. To understand how to reach that 800-plus range, you first need to understand what actually drives your credit score. Your FICO score is essentially a snapshot of how you handle borrowed money, and it's made up of several key components that each carry a different weight. Payment history is the most important factor, making up about 35% of your score, which means even one missed payment can seriously hurt your progress. Credit utilization comes next, and this is where most people lose easy points without even realizing it. If you're using more than 30% of your available credit, your score is already being dragged down. The remaining factors include length of credit history, new credit inquiries, and your credit mix, all working together to paint a picture of how reliable you are as a borrower. Now, if your goal is to hit 800 in just 6 months, the first shift you need to make is mental. You're no longer using credit casually. You're using it strategically. Every swipe, every payment, every account decision needs to be intentional. One of the fastest ways to boost your score is by aggressively lowering your credit utilization. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to spend less. It means you need to manage how your balances are reported. Most people don't realize that credit card companies report balances to the bureaus before the due date, not after you pay it off. So even if you pay your bill in full every month, your reported balance could still be high. The fix is simple but powerful. Pay your balance down before the statement closing date, not just the due date. This alone can create a noticeable jump in your score within 30 days. At the same time, consistency in payments is non-negotiable. In the eyes of lenders and scoring models, reliability is everything. Setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date, which protects your most valuable scoring factor. If you've had late payments in the past, the strategy becomes about rebuilding trust. Over the next 6 months, you want to create a perfect streak of on-time payments, showing lenders that whatever happened before is no longer who you are financially. This consistency compounds quickly, especially when combined with other improvements. Another overlooked strategy that can accelerate your journey is increasing your available credit without increasing your spending. This can be done by requesting credit limit increases or strategically opening a new credit line. When your total available credit goes up while your spending stays the same, your utilization ratio drops instantly. In 2026, many banks use soft inquiries for credit limit increases, meaning you can potentially boost your score without triggering a hard pull. But timing matters. You don't want to open multiple accounts at once because too many hard inquiries in a short period can signal risk. Instead, space them out and focus on quality over quantity. Your credit mix also plays a role, even though it's smaller compared to utilization and payment history. Lenders like to see that you can handle different types of credit, such as revolving credit cards and installment loans like auto loans or personal loans. If your profile is too thin, adding a small installment loan and managing it responsibly can help round out your credit profile. But again, the key is control. You're not borrowing money because you need it. You're doing it to strengthen your financial profile. In today's digital age, one of your biggest advantages is access to real-time credit monitoring tools. These tools allow you to track changes, catch errors, and optimize your strategy on the fly. Errors on credit reports are more common than most people think, and disputing inaccurate information can sometimes result in a quick score increase. Reviewing your report from all 3 major bureaus regularly gives you clarity and control, turning your credit score from a mystery into something you actively manage. Another powerful move, especially for younger individuals or those rebuilding credit, is becoming an authorized user on a well-managed account. When you're added to someone else's credit card with a long history and low utilization, that positive history can reflect on your report. It's like borrowing credibility, but it only works if the primary account holder is disciplined. This strategy can create a noticeable lift in a relatively short period, making it one of the fastest shortcuts toward that 800-plus goal. As you move through these 6 months, patience and discipline become your biggest assets. Credit scores don't jump overnight without reason, but when multiple positive factors align, the growth can feel surprisingly fast. The key is stacking small wins, lower utilization, perfect payment history, strategic credit expansion, and consistent monitoring. Each of these actions might seem minor on its own, but together they create momentum that pushes your score higher and higher. By the time you reach the end of this 6-month journey, you're not just chasing a number, you've built a system. An 800-plus credit score is simply the result of that system working efficiently. You've trained yourself to think like lenders think, to act with precision, and to treat credit as a tool rather than a trap. And once you reach that level, maintaining it becomes far easier than getting there. The doors that open, lower interest rates, better loan approvals, premium rewards, are just the external rewards of a deeper transformation in how you manage money. If you take anything away from this, let it be this: your credit score is not fixed, and it's not controlled by luck. It's controlled by behavior, strategy, and consistency. And starting today, you have everything you need to take control of it and push it into that elite 800-plus range faster than you ever thought possible.